Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 19th, linear equation with one variable, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. A solution of a equation ax plus b equals to 0 is. What do you mean by this word solution? Solution means you have to find the value of x. Okay, so let's solve this. Ax plus b equals to 0, so take b on this side, it becomes minus b. So ax equals to minus b, take a on this side, so it is minus b upon a. So that is the solution. Next, the shifting of a number from one side of the equation to the other is known as transposition. See the meaning of transposition. 3x plus 4 equals to 31. This is one equation. Now we have to take 4 on this side. Actually, transposition means you don't take 4 on this side. It means what you do is you subtract 4 from both the sides. See this, 3x plus 4 minus 4 and 31 minus 4. So in effect what are you doing? This 4 gets cancelled and in effect you are taking 4 on this side. That's why it is called as transposition, but actual meaning is you do the same thing on both sides of the equation so that one gets cancelled. See this, it means doing the same thing on both sides of the equation with the aim of bringing like terms together and isolating the unknown quantity. That is the meaning of transposition. Next, if a and b are positive integers, then the solution to the equation ax equals to b is always here. Ax equals to b. So solution means what? We have to find x. To find x, what you have to do? Take a on the other side, right? That was the meaning of transposition we just saw. So a on this side, it becomes b upon a. So x equals to b upon a. Now this b upon a, both are positive. So the answer will always be positive. It can't be negative, right? So the answer is positive. Linear equation in one variable has only one variable with the power here. Linear equation means what? Linear equation means anything raised to 1. This equation when plotted on a graph, it will always give a straight line. What we want is linear equation with one variable. See this, 3x equals to 6, so x raised to 1. Similarly over here, 4p minus 11 blah blah blah, p raised to 1. So always the power will be 1. So the answer is 1. Next one. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.